That's me there, the short one on the purple skateboard. My name is Leah, and I'm 18 years young. I've been making use of the beautiful Ebrington Square since it opened in February 2012. Now I park my car and walk across the Peace Bridge to college. I admire the stunning views across my city, and of course, skate with my friends. I always feel so refreshed when I go there, especially on days like these. This is where I learned how to skate. Well, if you could call it that. I have fell a lot, laughed a lot, mostly at me falling over, but I've made a lot of happy memories there. One of my first memories of the Peace Bridge was in 2011 when I sang as part of the primary school choir on the opening of the bridge. I love seeing the bridge filled with colour and how the whole city come together for this event, no matter their background. Looking back on more recent memories of bringing in the summer nights with my friends, watching the sun slowly go down as the soft light dances upon the foil, things like that, well, they just can't be bought. I really do love the square, not for the history behind it or the amazing infrastructure, but the fact that it brings us all together. Even when I took the camera out, a number of people came to chat to me and asked me what I was doing. The people of Derry, Londonderry, or whatever you happen to name it, are the reason why I love where I live. No matter where I may end up, this will always be my home.